Hello students, let us learn a poem. It can be done. We learn many skills daily. Reading, writing, swimming, driving, riding a bicycle, etc. When we learn a new skill, it is necessary to practice more. Practice makes man perfect. Now, what is given in this poem? Let us see in detail. Let me read the poem first. The man who misses all the fun, is he who says it can't be done? In solemn pride, he stands aloof and greets each venture with reproof. Had he the power, he had efface the history of the human race. We had have no radio, no or motor cars, no streets lit by electric stars. No telegraph, no telephone, we would linger in the age of stone. The world would sleep if things were run by men who say it can't be done. That means some people say every time when we tell them to do some easy work, hard work, any work, hey, it cannot be done. It's not possible to do. They don't try at all. But this poem says that it can be done. So, our hard work is very essential. Now, let me introduce the poem here. The poem, It Can Be Done, it generalizes that a person who lacks confidence, who doesn't have confidence, and motto is the type of a person who remains stagnant in life, means he doesn't make any progress and naturally unsuccessful. He will not be able to get success. The poem explains that without hard work and firm determination, man's life wouldn't be as developed as it is now. You know that you have studied in EBS 1 last year, Stone Age man, the ages through which man passed. He made many efforts. Earlier he used stone tools, wooden tools. Then he invented metals. And now we have made very more progress and technological development has taken place. So, the poem suggests that the things that we set our mind to complete can most definitely can be done. See the first two lines, the man who misses all the fun, is he who says it can't be done? Means the person who says it can't be done, he misses all the fun. See the second stanza. In solemn pride, he stands aloof. Here solemn pride means what? The meaning is given here. Here it means looking very serious, grand and important. In solemn pride means he looks very serious, grand and important. He says stands aloof. Aloof means what? He stands separately without getting involved in anything. And greets each venture with reproof. Here venture means what? Venture means adventure. He greets each venture. He faces each dangerous or risky faces risky task with criticism. Means he always makes negative comment and he does not try to do it or face the dangerous things.